Pradnesh, and currently I'm performing the stepper motor experiment. So as we can see right now, I've already set up all the experimental stuff. So as we can see, this is the stepper motor module. So the J1 of the kit is connected to the module via this 26 pin FRC cable, and the power cable is used for powering up the stepper motor module, and the stepper motor connection has been set up as follows. So as we can see right now, currently the speed has been set to 00 at the locations 2032 and 2038, and now we'll vary the speed. So for that, I'll change the data in that particular memory location. So I'll change it to 05. And now we'll proceed with the execution. So as we can see, the stepper motor starts rotating in an anti-clockwise sense. And now we will change the rotating sequence, basically the clockwise or the anti-clockwise orientation of the stepper motor. So for that, we just have to switch the sequence. So for that, I will make the corresponding changes in the output. So at location 2005, I'll change F9 to F8. Then at location M200C, I'll change the switching sequence to F6. At location M2013, I'll change the switching sequence to F5, and at location 201A, I'll change the switching sequence to F9. And now if I execute the code, we'll see that the orientation of the stepper motor, basically the clockwise or the anti-clockwise orientation, will be changed. So as we can see, the stepper motor starts rotating in a clockwise sense.